in super shoes right now. Yeah. Oh, squeaky shoes. My phone's about to die, so yeah, we're going back and looking at the boots. I don't know where we are. Oh, there we are. What?
I'm gonna go into clearance rack.
Yeah, me too. I like clearance.
Did you find them, honey? There you go.
Bright yellow.
I'll be back here, honey.
Oh, they have muck boot things here. They're not very comfortable, probably, and they're not muck boots. The heck? They're all falling down. They're like. Wait. Oh, frick. Messed up. Ooh, slid off one. Ooh, super shoes. There's cameras everywhere. No duh. Cameras everywhere. Filming. So awesome. It actually looked neat. It picks up better on my camera side. Look at my camera. Yeah, I'm out at Super Shoes shopping right now. If you don't know Alfie already, he'd probably been in videos, I don't remember. But, yeah, we're going out and getting him boots. So, yeah. They're all cheap shoes. Remember, Mom, when you used to get me these? You used to give me cheap shoes?
These are cute.
You used to get me cheap shoes. Like the $29 ones.
That wasn't cheap.
No, these are $75.
$30.
Compared to these, yeah, I think they're cheap. But now she doesn't.
These are cute though. I'd wear something like that.
Here's my new shoes, guys. Dual fusion and everything. I didn't get them from here, but I got them from Kohl's. What the frick? Oh, pink. Everything's pink.
I like it pink.
Archie Realtree shoes. They're neat, but they're just pink and everything. Oh, girl. Why is there no boys? Maybe I'm in the wrong section. That might be it. There's kids. They're actually nice. They're like the new ones. The new Dual Fusions. Hey, Mom, they have new Dual Fusions over here for only $49. This is what I'm talking about. Oh gosh. $69. I got mine for $75, and these are a little better probably than them. Probably the older model. I don't know how big my shoe is. I already know. Whatever, how you do this. Oh, I don't know. I think I broke the machine. I'm confused. Who knows how to use this dumb thing? I never found out how to use this dumb thing. Is my feet too big for it? I don't know. I couldn't, like, oh, right here. No, yeah, it's left. Look, am I too big for this? No, there's like 13 sizes and everything. Well, even if you use your shoe, it's still a 9.5.
Alright, I'll be going down here.
There's like 9.5, I don't know. Stupid.
This is another thing I like about it, because when I do my tires, I
Dang.
use this foot to kick my tire up.
They're giant.
You need all that extra.
Size are they?
Nice.
Size are they?
13.
13.
They fit you.
I wear 9.5. They're not much different.
Oh,
I'll end it there. I'm probably gonna go on food. eat food. I don't know where we're going, but yeah, I'll probably videotape that unless my phone dies. See ya in a little bit. Guys, this is another part to my video. Yeah, this is Aruga's. I'm gonna be going in, but I can't videotape there because like, I guess you're not allowed to videotape. My phone's almost dead, so yeah. And yeah, my window wasn't open. Or it wasn't closed. So yeah, I'm gonna be going soon now. Yeah, see you guys later and peace. Guys, we're done eating. Just got done and it's dead raining out. Or not raining out, it's like really dark out. That side, way over there is bad. So yeah, that's really bad. Really bad. Yeah. Train tracks. Make these nuts. Huh? Hey guys, I'm here today and I'm gonna be doing a prank on my stepbrother, but not really a prank. Yeah. I'll call this yeah, go now. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I need a Sharpie.
What is this? Trying to explain that to my doctor.
He's not here. Nope. Just showing. He don't even have his Xbox here. So, yeah. Let's get to work. What the freak? Oh, God. All 5 packs of toothpicks. About 250 in there. Yeah. Happy Easter. Yeah. Okay. Alright. He still has some toothpicks down there from last time. So, yeah, just gonna write right onto the bag. Write down Happy Easter. Happy. Wait a minute. I'll pause it. Alright, I'm done. Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Here, yeah. There you go. Perfect. I'm gonna send this to him. I already just captured one. I'm gonna send it to him. Or I should just surprise him, I don't know. All his video games. Not touching them. I know he'll kill me on the video. Literally. All the toothpicks from last time. I can't see them, but yeah. I'm gonna turn the light out. Happy belated Easter. Oh, and also, trying to complete my, so yeah, that's my, book. All them brown spots are the ones I'm trying to complete. So I'm gonna go out there and check for them later. But I'm gonna end it there. So yeah, if you like this vlog, please put a like down. Not description. Please put a like down below. So yeah, that really helps. Not really, but like, kind of does. But who cares? I just rather get subscribed and have more views. So if you could share this video and then like repost on social media and like tag me in it, Hunter Pokemon Craze, Hunter Bottom Splash Pokemon, and Bottom Slash Craze. So yeah, Craze is spelled C-R-A-Z-E. And you know the rest. So Hunter Pokemon Craze on Instagram. Share it on there. Share my account actually, and yeah, I'm gonna pause it there. I don't know what else to say, so I'll be right back. And there's my package to go out to. I'm probably gonna grade with Silver Snorlax this month due to last week's rules one not sent in the PSA this month. So here's my address to everyone. I don't really care. Party mail Snooks. It's actually okay, but kind of hard to use because they're expensive as frick and they suck at it. I'm grading a couple, like 2 of these cards, but I also have 2 extras. These are probably going to be up for trade or up for sale. I want all these in giveaways. So yeah, feel free to DM me on Instagram or PM me on YouTube. Main source is Instagram. You have to let me know you came from YouTube. And da 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 da. Should I have it at, like, also tell me in the comments below, should I have it at full darkness during the video? Or have it at full brightness? Or have it just in the middle? I think in the middle is fine, but like mid darkness is okay because it gives it that unique look. Like that. This just brightens it up. So yeah, don't forget to like this video and peace out.